Take a look around your house and you may be surprised at how many concrete surfaces you have. I'm talking about your driveway, sidewalks, porches, patios, garages. Now keep those in mind and consider this statement made by some pretty big players. I'm talking about the American Concrete Institute, the Portland Cement Association, the National Ready Mix Concrete Association. All of these people have said that the bulk of all concrete damage can be attributed to moisture infiltration. Now, concrete looks pretty solid, but it's actually a very porous surface. So for those large spanses, you may want to consider a concrete sealer. That will seal up the pores, prevent any water from infiltrating down below. For cracks, when you get them, and I say when, not if, it will happen, it's the nature of the beast. When you get cracks like this, what happens is water starts rushing down in through those cracks and it erodes the soil underneath. Eventually, you're going to get these empty, hollow pockets underneath driveway, walkways. And in this case, you can see we've had a truck come across here and found one of those pockets. You don't want this to happen. So prevent it ahead of time. When you see cracks like this, you want to pick up a tube of concrete repair caulk. It's textured, that's the best kind. If you can get some that has a polyurethane base to it, it will flex with the concrete, that's great. You just apply it like you would any other caulk, and that's going to prevent that water infiltration. And listen, this is a very inexpensive investment for your concrete surfaces.